Do you know why profitable traders achieve their financial goals over time? They took a chance, managed their risks, and seized trading opportunities. What are the odds of winning a trade? What is the right lucrative investment? How much am I willing to risk to become a profitable trader and investor? Whenever you trade or invest, there is an element of chance and risk. A chance is your opportunity to trade or invest in something you believe will benefit you. A risk is the uncertainty and possibility of your earnings and outcomes, whether you gain or lose in trading and investing. There are two types of investment. Passive investment is where the chance is greater than the risk, but the return is usually below the invested capital. Aggressive investment is where the chance is lower than the risk, but the return is usually higher than the invested capital. How much are you willing to risk as a trader and investor? It's your choice. Be a smart trader. Minimize your losses and manage your risks.